Let's get cracking.
That's it. That's the Red Bull talking.
Minutes are aligned, right?
There we go. That's the Sasuke, I know.
Bridge ahead. Oh, Tisha, I think.
That guy.
Without a number plate.
I guess they're allowed to do, right? We are not.
It's the second car I saw today without a number plate.
What's the first?
वो XUV.
XUV. XUV का तो पता लग रहा था.
It was new.
Absolutely, but it's
And वो लोग celebrate करने आए थे. Yeah, they bought from a place a little far away from their hometown. Don't think about it, boy. Don't you think about it.
अच्छा खासा बढ़िया ये वाली तो
उसका
focusing है.
I was just checking. It's थोड़ा slow okay map. Once.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Should I slow down?
Sun, windmill, and silver. क्या होता है? Silver trail. Paper trail. Sorry.
These guys will never learn.
Goal.
अरे अलाइन होच्छे
हाँ.
windmill टा sun टा और ऊपर paper trail टा.
Yeah, I recorded the video.
Nice.
ये Minecraft का है.
हाँ.
एक यूनिट वॉल्यूम कम करेगा.
हाँ. I was just wondering. तू जब बोलेगा.
हाँ, बिकॉज सडनली ज़्यादा हो गया है.
अब तक पूरा कम आ रहा था तो थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ा था.
ठीक है, लेट इट प्ले.
बढ़ने लग गया था.
कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा वैसे, फाइन.
Red Bull has.
बट व्हेन वी आर डूइंग अगुम्बे एंड स्टफ राइट, देयर विल बी नो म्यूजिक. और इफ म्यूजिक होगा तो
What's
we'll choose specific music.
What's an Agumbe?
जो तूने लास्ट टाइम मिस कर दिया था इन साहिल एंड आई वेंट.
Oh no. I won't miss it. तुम लोग जो बजाओगे बजाओ यार.
This feels as if this is Yuki Kaze OS.
हाँ, but it's nice stuff. I mean, सर दर्द नहीं हो रहा like the usual stuff.
One day, or maybe two.
Minecraft always has something good.
Oh no!
Left.
He's not moving. He did. Good.
Toilet. अरे बढ़ जा रहा है धीरे. अरे
And a jumper. Karada jumper.
Mingsi Champa. Sasuke might be thinking of Bengali Mingsi Champa.
Ritter. Probably the closest you ever been. Left side.
Yeah, I'm closer. To disassemble parts.
Oh! See the size of the tower.
I like that paper trail.
Go, loser ranger. Oh, he's gonna ruin it. What are they doing? Of course, he's from Bangalore. He doesn't know how to drive.
Kaka.
Because यहाँ का लोग ना, like K19, K20, they'd be very like hands-on with the ghat roads. But not this clown. Huh? But I didn't want to. plays stuff like that, then I have no complaints. वो meme sound जब आता है ना,
I am a man of taste. I know what I play.
Yeah, you're a man of taste. Music, absolutely yes. Khana, most of the times yes. Other playing sounds.
Drinks. Sounds what?
Except Old Monk Coffee, whenever you call out, I want to have it every time. you say
Sounds?
it.
What sounds?
Oh, meme sounds.
Oh, no. That's just to annoy people.
We ball.
Yeah. Oh, dog.
13.5. Boys, we're gonna get drained tonight.
अस्सी भी के जा रहे हैं। वेट, स्पीडोमीटर पे 120 की दिखा रहा है।
Because 120 पे जा रहे हैं.
Bro really said मणिपाल तो 5 मिनट 10 मिनट रुको, हम 5 मिनट में आ रहे हैं।
हो जाता वैसे, बट उसके आगे खाली है, so I'm gonna take my time, do it methodically.
Dude, you have control.
Yes.
He has control of the wheel.
Yes.
Sire, my liege, all of speed. Hear me out.
I think the Gaadi is going to like it because it's getting a proper workout.
My blade is coated with dwarf semen, so you know it's
The
good.
size of my probably.
Damn.
मैं उसमें कर्वी की तरह करूँगा।
We got to censor a lot. काफी सेंसर करना पड़ेगा.
Look at the smog.
Do you really think that there will be a certain video जिसमें we can
Is there smog on the left? What is that?
speak for like 5 minutes or so? That is smoke, my friend.
हाँ, we can, I think. But अगर वही गाली अश्लील बातें ना हो, which is a extremely rare thing.
Artificial clouding.
They should at least put a signboard.
That is the adventurous part about that.
You never know what you get. Udupi defense.
See, they say 80 and speed breaker है.
80 यहाँ से करते हैं।
हाँ, maybe you're right.
Oh, Moog City. Nice.
Why is he flashing?
He said he's preventing you from
Flash
overtaking
in
the
red
biker
light.
guy.
Of course, I won't overtake. What does he think? Am I from Lucknow?
Yes.
What does he think? गाड़ी लखनऊ का, ड्राइवर बंगाली, दोस्त दिल्ली का, वो भी बंगाली, तीसरा कलकत्ता का. Guess where he is from? That's right.
Yeah.
दिख ही नहीं रहा बेटा.
हाँ, that's kind of very hot. फोटो ले तो.
उस तरफ ये स्मॉग सन को ब्लॉक आउट कर दे रहा था
अपना
मैं.
फोन दे देने वाले से फोन
तो ले नीचे है. Oh, it's that kind of music जिसमें मैं टनल में digging करता था and I would reach water.
Yes.
Man, those were some peaceful times. Just फालतू इधर उधर की बात करते हुए just digging end on end.
And then constructing a spaceship with proper lighting.
लिमिनल.
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. अबे हटा ले.
लिमिनल.
It's incredible.
Take towards the sun. Can you take the bluish hue on the sun?
Not yet क्योंकि
I am
sun है सामने.
glad camera on किया यार. I am glad.
Right in the middle of the ride. Have you heard that
क्या कौन सा?
Australian track?
नहीं नहीं
Oil is in there all the
ओ
yeah
100 पे पता नहीं चलता
everything's a blur.
हाँ everything's so blurry
Gonna take it away.
roads like this is what this गाड़ी lives for
Pardon me.
where I burn
Pardon me.
it's a crest and there's a bus coming so yeah I'll slow down already उसने headlight जला दिया he was expecting me to do something stupid
Because the pace that these guys are moving and the pace that you are moving are in exponents. They can be only explained in exponentials now. That's why. Oh,
Jab.
Charjuna. Oh, you have a contender.
I can never catch him उधर भी वो बाहर से लेगा because
yeah.
he's got a handling नहीं है he had to slow down
Someone actually said I consider this to be the main theme of creative mode.
देखा क्या किया उसने
Uh,
हाँ
I'm gonna stay पीछे वाला भी वही करेगा What is taking the oncoming so long?
yeah, sorry.
क्या
Sorry.
about
ये चलेगा थोड़ी देर.
क्या चीज चलेगा
इसका ये बातें करना.
हाँ हाँ it's fine.
Right? You want me to give you your earphones?
Nah, it's fine.
You want me to stop? Don't worry. I can stop and I can make it out. Nothing to say once.
Yes, Sasuke will be thumping.
Think
his-
about it. Tell me.
तो गाड़ी चला.
Okay.
जिंदगी की बाकी चीजों की बुराई. Seriously.
Nah.
क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं.
Huh?
मैं उसको कह रहा हूँ इस तरफ देख के एक बार.
I know.
I could probably feel it पीछे.
Well, he's 163.
See, at the expense of fuel, roads like this you can reach faster.
Wait, 86 kilometers to what? Oh,
Mandir.
T junction.
look at that sun. It's completely white. Can you take a blue picture of it?
Chat GPT से पूछ रहा है क्या?
Hey, sorry.
नहीं भाई.
Sir, can you take a picture of the sun in the blue sky? Sir, Akash.
He's there, like he's there.
Shut up, very good.
Well, looks like someone is not slow.
143 के ऊपर नहीं गया.
Good. For this time.
हाँ.
For this time.
Yeah, for this time. Range देख कैसे गिर रहा है. But don't worry, I'll take it
अरे
on.
चल बाहर भाई तू चला रहा है. यही तो करने आए हैं हम.
हाँ. This is like this. We need to slow down. People here don't care, man.
Every day.
But I would still rate it better than Lucknow. Oh wow. Retard.
You won't come right.
I एटलीस्ट शी हैज अ डिसेंसी, वरना यूपी वाला होता रोड के बीच में खड़े होकर पान थूक रहा होता बाइक पे। Is there something?
नहीं अभी तो नाक टाच थी भाई।
It's a crest. सामने वाले उसको हाईवे मारे जा रहे हैं, वो इज टेकिंग हिज ओन टाइम, 1 week. Is it normal now?
टोमेटो
There was a weird delay, देखा?
You hesitated ना?
तो गाड़ी also hesitated.
वो कह तो रहा हूँ उसको तेरी गाड़ी चाहिए भाई। He feels at home with you, of course he would.
He's following the speed limit.
उसको आना बहुत जरूरी था।
Nice tail lights. ये इसको मैंने पीछे छोड़ दिया था, नोवा को। Everybody's doing it.
Break मार से
हाँ।
speed breakers.
Oh my god. We've gone through this place, haven't we? নদী তো
हैं?
बाहर
This is the
करो
river,
इसलिए
right?
बाहर करो
नहीं, आई न्यू बट बहुत टाइम लगा रही स्टार्ट होने में। ए सी दिस, इसका वेव्स दिख रहा है मैप पे।
मुझे भी। ओह Yeah, looks like a Minecraft thing to do. Jump into the water.
सॉरी बीच में आ गया.
Pardon me for a moment. Me too.
Yeah, this bridge is long. वो है क्या
क्या?
ICF है क्या तू
हाँ. नहीं LHB क्योंकि आवाज है स्मूथ. ICF that would have a metallic ring to it. खटाक.